I am Sabine. I work in research and development at O-Cedar. I want to make sure our products are safe for all the little feet that walk across our floors. As a mom of young kids, I always have questions about the products I use, so I want to answer your questions about O-Cedar PACS Hard Floor Cleaner. Before PACS, some homeowners used laundry detergents to clean their floors. So what makes PACS a better choice than detergent? PACS are specifically designed for floor cleaning, unlike laundry or dishwasher detergents, which are not. Laundry detergents have different pH levels and may contain chemicals which can harm floors. PACS, on the other hand, are specially formulated to dissolve dirt and grime to prevent them from depositing back onto the surface of floors.
Is it safe for pets and kids? Do PACS contain any harmful ingredients?
PACS are made from 97% naturally derived ingredients and don't contain any harsh chemicals. No ammonias, no bleach, no parabens, no phosphates. Naturally derived ingredients mean the ingredients come from plants and other organic materials. This is why O-Cedar PACS can provide a deep clean without any harsh chemicals. However, remember to keep them stowed out of reach of children and pets. If swallowed, seek medical attention.
What scents do PACS come in?
PACS are available in crisp citrus and calming lavender. We hope to introduce new scents to our PACS soon.
How do these enzymes work and why are they good at cleaning floors?
PACS contain the powerful enzyme lipase, which works by binding to dirt and grime molecules. Imagine enzymes as tiny superheroes with the power to target the dirt particles that make your floors look dull and dirty. This process helps to loosen and dissolve the dirt, making it much easier to mop away, leaving your floors clean and fresh.
What is the pH level of PACS and why does it matter?
PACS have a neutral pH level, ranging from 6.5 to 7.5. Having a safe pH level in our PACS ensures that the cleaning solution is not too acidic or too alkaline, which can be corrosive to your floors. A neutral pH level prevents damage to your floors and ensures effective cleaning without compromise.
How do I clean with PACS?
Basically, you fill your bucket or your water tank, drop in the pack of your choice, and watch it fizz. Once it's dissolved, mop as you normally would.
What types of floors can I use PACS on?
PACS can be used on all hard-finished floor surfaces, including hardwood, tile, ceramic, luxury vinyl, laminate, linoleum, marble, stone, porcelain, and more. Do not use on unfinished, oiled, or waxed wooden floors, or any water-sensitive floor surfaces.
Do I use hot water or cold water with PACS?
Using warm to hot water will help dissolve and provide that great fizzing action. We do not recommend using boiling water because it can affect the mechanism in your mop bucket, and furthermore, it is not necessary.
How much water do I need to use with PACS?
We recommend using 1.6 gallons of water. This is the volume of a standard mop bucket.
Will PACS leave a residue on my floor?
If used with the recommended 1.6 gallons of water, O-Cedar PACS will not leave any residue on your floors. You won't find any streaks left behind. Isn't that amazing?
Do PACS work with any mop and bucket?
PACS are specially designed to work with O-Cedar mop and bucket systems, but will work with any mop and bucket. We do not recommend using PACS with a spray mop, such as the ProMist Max microfiber spray mop.
Can PACS be used to clean more than just floors?
We do not recommend using PACS on other surfaces like walls or countertops. If unsure, test on a small hidden area first. Do not use them in dishwashers, washing machines, or electrical appliances. I hope this answers all your questions. If you have more or want additional information on PACS, please go to our website.